In class 18, we discussed two models given in 8-1-2020, shift 1 and shift 2. Now, let's discuss another model given in 9-1-2020, shift 1, I think, JEE main. JEE main, another problem. What it was is, find the current in the wire BC. Find the current in the wire BC. It was given like this. volts. This is 1 ohm, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, and this is 4 ohms. This is wire BC. He asked you to find the current in the wire BC. Current in the wire BC. IBC is equals to how much? IBC is equals to how much is asking. If you look at this one, the current here is, let us say I, and this current is I. Total current entering is total current going downwards. Now these two are parallel. One in parallel with 4, and again this is 2 in parallel with 3, and this is potential 20 volts. This is 20 volts. Now what is the effective resistance? 4 in parallel with 1, that is 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 4 by 5. Let us take it as R1. And R2 is equals to 2 in parallel with 3, that is equals to 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, that is 6 by 5. Now this equivalents to like this. This is 4 by 5, this is 6 by 5, current I, this is 20 volts. Now what is now R? R is equals to R1 plus R2, that is equals to 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5, that is 10 by 5, that is equals to 2 ohms. Therefore R effective is equals to 2 ohms. R effective is 2 ohms. This is 2 ohms. This is 2 ohms. This is 20 volts. Current is I. Now what is the current I now? Current I is equals to V by R, that is 20 by 2, that is 10 amps. Therefore the current I flowing here is 10 amps. Current I is equals to 10. This is equals to 10 amps. This is equals to 10 amps. Current is equals to 10 amps. 10 amps going, 10 amps is coming. Now he is asking the current BC. Why the current in the wire BC he is asking. Now let us say this one is I1, this one is I2, this is I3, this is I4. This is smaller resistance. Therefore heavy current, therefore that current comes downward. This is, let us take it as I5. We have to calculate I5 now. We have to calculate I5. How to calculate I5 means, now first let us calculate I1. Now how to get I1? I1 is equals to total current I into R2 by I1 is equal I into R2 by R1 plus R2. Let us take it as R1, R2, R3, R4 by current division formula. This is, we discussed it many times, by current division formula. I1 is equals to I into R2 by R1 plus R2. What is current I? Total current is 10 into R2. What is R2? 4 by R1 plus R2 is 4 plus 1, that is equals to 40 by 5. That is equals to 40 by 5, that is 8 amps. That is 8 amps. Now what is natural I2? I2 is equals to I into R1 by R1 plus R2, or simply 10 minus 8, 2. I, what is I? 10 into R1 is 1 by 4 plus 1, that is equals to 10 by 5, that is equals to 2 amps. That is 2 amps. Similarly, what is I3? I3 is equals to I into R4, I into opposite resistance, R4. I3 is equals to I into R4 by R1 plus R2. What is I there? I is again same current. Total current is same, no? 10. 10. Total current is 10 into R4 is 3. 10 into 3 by 2 plus 3. That is equals to 30 by 5. That is 6 amps. 30 by 5 that is equals to 6 amps. Now what is I4? Naturally it will be 4. I into 10 minus 6 is 4. Now let us see. I into R3 by R1 plus R3. That is 10 into R3 is 2. 2 by 2 plus 3. That is equals to 20 by 5. That is equals to 4 amps. Calculated currents in all the branches, all the resistors. Now what is from if the junction for the junction B, what we have, I1 is coming in, apply the KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. I1 is equals to, I1 is coming towards the junction, I5 going away, I3 going away. I1 is equals to I5 plus I3, I5 plus I3. I5 going away, I3 going away. This implies I5 is equals to I1 minus I3. That is, what is I1 there? I1 is equals to 8. 8 minus what is I3? 6. That is equals to 2 amps. Therefore, our current I5 is 2 amps. For junction C, apply KCL. Junction C, apply KCL. This implies what is there? Junction C, I2 is coming and I5 also coming towards junction. I2 plus I5 is equals to I4 I2 coming, I5 coming, I4 going. This implies I5 is equals to I4 minus I2. What is I4? I4 is equals to 4 minus I2 is equals to 2. That is equals to 2 amperes. Anyhow, we got the same one. Therefore, the current to the wire BC, IBC is equals to I5, that is equals to 2 amperes. Very, very important and very good problem. And this is, next we will discuss about the Wheatstone, the meter bridge. We will discuss meter bridge.